Houzz Pro doesn't publish a simple flat price on its website, and that usually means the final cost changes depending on your business size and the features you need. By the end of this breakdown, you'll understand how Houzz Pro pricing is structured, what affects your monthly cost, and which type of contractor actually gets value from it. Houzz Pro is built for home builders, remodelers, and interior designers who want one system for marketing, project management, and client communication. The pricing isn't listed as a single public tier sheet, so the only reliable way to understand it is by looking at how the platform is packaged and sold. First, the core structure. Houzz Pro is typically sold as a subscription that scales based on features. Smaller contractors usually get access to basic CRM tools, lead management, and proposals. Larger teams pay more for advanced tools like project tracking, scheduling, financial tools, and team collaboration features. That structure matters because it means you're not paying for a fixed plan name. You're paying for bundles of functionality. More features equals higher monthly cost. Second, what actually drives the price up? The biggest cost drivers are the number of users on your account, how advanced your project management needs are, and whether you're using it mainly for lead generation or full project operations. Contractors who only need client leads and simple estimates pay less than companies running full build projects inside the platform. This is also where Houzz Pro differs from basic contractor CRMs. It's not just a lead tool. It's positioned as an all-in-one business system, which is why pricing tends to scale quickly as you add operational features. Third, who Houzz Pro makes sense for. If you're a solo contractor or a very small team, the cost can feel high compared to simpler tools that only handle scheduling or invoicing. If you're managing multiple projects at once with several team members, the value increases because you're replacing multiple separate tools with one system. Here's the simple way to think about it. Houzz Pro pricing is not about picking the cheapest plan. It's about deciding how much of your business you want inside one platform. If you only need leads and basic estimates, you may not need the full system. If you want everything from marketing to project delivery in one place, that's where Houzz Pro is designed to pay off. Houzz Pro pricing is customized, not fixed. Costs increase based on features, users, and operational tools. And the platform is best suited for contractors who want an all-in-one system, rather than a basic CRM. Next step, by the way. Before signing up, list the exact tools you actually need, then match them to what Houzz Pro offers so you don't overpay for features you won't use. If this breakdown helped, like and subscribe for more simple pricing explanations like this.